Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add withdrawal address on Binance app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In order to do so, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application, and then you need to provide your email address and password, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you successfully logged in, you need to tap on 3 lines or your profile icon in the top left-hand corner. Instead of this 3 lines, you can also view your profile picture, so you just have to click on it. After that, you will have to click on this gear icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Once done, you're going to see this 4th option of withdrawal address, so you need to tap on withdrawal address. And here you will be able to see the option of whitelist. You will have to turn the toggle button on right next to whitelist, and after that, you just have to proceed the security checkups. Afterwards, you need to click on this plus icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen, and here you need to fill out these details. Now over here in the top, you will have to first select the coin, so you can set it as universal address without any specific coin, so you just have to select it. Then you need to paste the address over here, so you just have to paste the withdrawal address in this section. You can even use this QR code icon in order to scan the QR code if you have it. Then you need to select the network. So if you tap on the network option, then you will be able to see a bunch of different networks to choose from. So you just have to select the network that you want to add or that is associated with the address that you have pasted. Then need to tap on this Address Origin tab, and you will have to select the origin of the address, whether it is from any exchange or it is from wallet. After doing so, you will have to provide wallet label, but you can also skip it as is optional. Then you need to tap on the Save button in the bottom, and after following further on-screen instructions, you will be able to easily add withdrawal address on Binance app. So that's basically how you can add withdrawal address on Binance app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.